Hi, and welcome to our simple summer schedule of activities page. Just wanted to briefly show you what you would possibly be getting for that $9.99 fee that we have included just for this um, link to various activities and daily schedule. As I mentioned in the bio, it's a group of educator moms who did not want to have their kids playing Minecraft and all the other activities, Roblox, all day, every day, but wanted to make time for them to learn and grow during the summer as well as play the games because we know it's summertime, it's your time to relax and breathe. So we wanted to incorporate some fun stuff as well. But this is the daily schedule that we created for our household. And if you are interested in modifications, there's just a small fee to make those modifications. Super small fee, like $3.50 or something like that. Again, this is something that really would just save you time. You are welcome to create your own and create your own links and all those good things. And it wouldn't cost you a penny, but it costs you time. And so the time that we've been putting into this and plan to continue to put into this, we feel is well worth that less than $10 charge and less than what you would pay for a couple Starbucks drinks just to help facilitate some learning and growing and a schedule of activities for your kids. But if you look at this here, you'll see that we've incorporated some reading time, some language time, learn a language. There's free time built in, time for lunch, recess, math, and so forth. One piece that we are really big on is having our kids do chores as well as helping to prepare lunch and dinner. So we are adding consistently to this different activities. There's chore time in there. We'll have like some chore cards. These all are links to a Google page that has a Google Doc that has other links to places that we do not own at in any way. It's just again, this is something that we created, and if you have access to some of those sites, you are welcome to log in. A lot of schools in the area have access to these sites, and so your kid just needs to use their login. For example, like Zern for math, they have a login for that. So anyway, this is pretty much what you're looking at. You click on the link and it'll take you to a doc that has other activities, and we are adding to it over the summer because we are trying to modify it for our own children. Um, so yeah, let us know. And like I said, it's the price of a couple Starbucks drinks just to coordinate some time for your kids to learn and grow over the summer. Thanks, and let us know your thoughts.